Hello, this is Scott Baceno, editor of telecoms.com at AfricaCom 2014, and I'm talking to Jorg Ruhmann, Technical Director EMEA of Infinera. Hi, Jorg.
Hey, good morning, Scott.
So here we are, AfricaCom, and Africa is one of the fastest growing regions in the world with a appropriately fast growing infrastructure as well. Can you tell me a bit more about the role Infinera is playing in delivering that infrastructure?
Yeah, that is right. So Africa is very fast growing, and we are working with local African companies, and as together we transform communities and economies as they evolve towards the terabit era. So we had been named #1 optical vendor beginning of the year by Infinetics based on customer return on reliability, service and support and technical innovation. So globally, we're transforming optical networks into intelligent transport networks, and locally we have deployed those best-of-breed and best-of-class technology with internet solutions first, and then followed by CCOM, helping them to offer unprecedented bandwidth on the African continent.
Okay.
So, and both are running on the forefront of using the latest technology to help shaping the community and the economics of the African continent.
And could you just tell us a little bit more about this intelligent transport network and how it's helping out Africa?
So Infinera has really right now more than 135 customers worldwide in 7 different countries, and we're helping customers to, based on our large-scale integrated photonic circuit, so which is like we're integrating over 600 optical components onto one single device, helping that to simplify the operations, to drive down cost, and to be innovative on new services. So all this the key technology of the photonic integrated circuit help to create different networks, so which allows us to offer scale, convergence, and automation to the network. So scale is that we offered the first 500 gig super channel to the world as a kind of commercially available product, and this allows to scale capacity in chunks of 100 gig to software provision to up to 500 gig or several teras of capacity onto the fiber. We have convergence, because convergence helps to simplify the networks by having like packet, optical switching, and optical transport, like in form of ROADMs, integrated into one platform. And this is optimizing the network and creating different efficiencies. And the benefits for the customer is, well, first of all, he has reduced complexity because he has to manage less boxes, less software, he has less fiber to manage, and he has a slower footprint and power consumption requirements. And all this is kind of framed with automation, which allows you with smart interfaces, with open software, with multi-level provisioning, to create a faster delivery time to the market and use time to market as a weapon to speed up delivery. So,
great. Okay. And I gather you've also announced a new sort of data center and cloud product. Could you tell us a little bit more about that, and again, a sort of African context?
So the Cloud Express is, we just launched the new Cloud Express as part of our kind of data center portfolio, and it's really designed and optimized to address a hyperscale in the cloud world, and it's leveraging our benefits of the photonic integrated circuit. And what it really helps is to offer massive bandwidth for data center interconnectivity. If you look on data center, the bandwidths, the internet, and all the applications like YouTube or any other applications are just causing a massive kind of bandwidth requirement, a bandwidth storm in the data centers, and there's a real requirement right now to scale those bandwidth requirements in the data centers. And just to make it more touchable for you is that right now, if you look at the requirements in the WAN, if you have a local network in your enterprise, you have easily 100 meg, 1 gig of capacity. Right now, if you outsource all this kind of functions to a data center, well, you need the same bandwidth to go from your company to the data center. So we're seeing a massive scale, and it has been not seen in the past. And so what we have to offer is very simplified and optimized for this specific application, optimized hardware, which is kind of hyperscale, simple operation, and has the lowest possible power on the market. So that's what we're doing with the Cloud Express. And the impact for Africa is a fast developing market and with a lot of growth. You have seen that, you mentioned that initially. And this creates a lot of opportunities for carriers and to innovate on new services and to offer a kind of to help to change the economic and social evolution of Africa. And Infinera is committed to deliver and to provide the best of breed technology to the terabit era in Africa.
Brilliant, that's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.